Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect the Nano 7 to StormCaster. So what I've done is I've already signed into my web UI, and I'll link to a video where I show you how to do just that. What I'm going to do to begin here is in the top right corner, I'm going to switch from the simple UI to the advanced UI. This gives me some more options and flexibility when setting up my receiver here. So the first thing I'm going to do in my advanced web UI here is I am going to head over to my network configuration, because I'm going to need to make sure that I properly have the network information for my SIM card set up here. So in my APN name here, I'm using a DAC SIM card, so I'm going to leave the APN name as DAC. And if you're using Verizon, AT&T, Rogers, whatever it may be, enter the appropriate APN information here. And once you have it entered, hit apply and OK here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to set up my position. So I'm going to go to GNSS config here, and I'm going to make sure my GNSS mode is set to base and that my base mode is set to repeat. Now, I can either enter the coordinates of my latitude and longitude if I know them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on get current coordinates here. That's going to refresh them. Once they're good here, I'm going to hit apply and then close here. And finally, to get StormCaster working, I'm going to click on my data port here and Ntrip server. Now, I'm going to need the information for StormCaster. So right now I have the URL, which is 20.245.169.145, the port that I've been assigned, and then the username and password of this setup. Now, I'm not going to read them out as they are obviously my username and password here, but once I have that properly set here, apply and OK, and there you go. I have properly set it up. You should see the radio light starting to flash, and you should now be able to connect your rover. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you set the GeoMeasure Nano 7 up on StormCaster. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.